Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter in your home or the chaos in your daily schedule? Imagine waking up to a space where everything has its place, your to-do list is clear, and your mind is free from the stress of disorganization. The secret to this serene and productive life lies in mastering the art of organization. Hello and warm welcome. It's a pleasure to have you here. You may not realize it, but piles of clutter can trigger anxiety and stress. Thankfully, the path to better mental and physical health lies in decluttering and simplifying your life. In this video, we'll uncover the powerful benefits of an organized life and share practical strategies to help you declutter your surroundings and streamline your routines. Here are 10 proven benefits of an organized space. 1. When you are organized, you spend less time searching for things and more time on tasks that matter, leading to greater efficiency and productivity. 2. An organized environment can significantly lower stress levels. Knowing where everything is and having a plan can reduce anxiety and create a sense of control. 3. Organization helps you prioritize tasks and manage your time more effectively, allowing you to accomplish more in less time. 4. A clutter-free space can lead to a clutter-free mind. Organization can enhance focus and concentration, making it easier to think clearly and make decisions. 5. An organized space can stimulate creativity. With less clutter, your mind has more room to think freely and come up with new ideas. 6. Organized living often extends to better habits in other areas, such as regular exercise, healthy eating, and proper sleep, all of which contribute to overall well-being. 7. Clutter can cause you to buy things you already have but cannot find. But once you declutter, you will be more aware of items you already need. 8. Organization can reduce conflicts over lost items and forgotten tasks, leading to more harmonious relationships both at home and at work. 9. Knowing that you have your life under control can boost your self-esteem and confidence, making you feel more capable and empowered. 10. An organized life allows you to set and achieve goals more efficiently. With clear plans and strategies, you're more likely to reach your aspirations and succeed in various aspects of life. Here are some practical strategies to help you declutter your space. 1. Begin with a small area like a drawer or a shelf. Tackling manageable tasks prevents overwhelm and builds momentum. 2. Define what you want to achieve with your decluttering. Whether it's creating a more organized workspace or peaceful environment, clear goals will guide your efforts. 3. Label 4 boxes as keep, donate, trash, and relocate. As you sort through items, place each one into the appropriate box to make decisions easier. 4. For every new item you bring into your home or office, remove one. This helps maintain balance and prevents new clutter from accumulating. 5. Spend a few minutes each day tidying up. Consistent small efforts can keep clutter from building up over time. 6. Scan important papers and store them digitally to reduce physical clutter. Make sure to back up files regularly to avoid losing important information. 7. Digital clutter is real. You can set aside time to declutter your inbox by deleting and organizing emails frequently. 8. Assign a specific place for everything you need or want to keep, making it easier to identify clutter. 9. Set regular intervals like monthly or quarterly to reassess your space and declutter as needed. 10. If decluttering feels overwhelming, don't hesitate to ask a friend, family member, or professional organizer for assistance. By integrating these strategies into your routine, you can create a more organized, stress-free environment that enhances your overall quality of life. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this one. See you next time. Take care.